Today I'm going to show you how to install Plotly in Python. In Google, type install Plotly, press enter, scroll down and come on this website. Click here Plotly. Once you come on this page, you just have to copy this, click copy to clipboard. Now open your command prompt, in search type cmd and just press enter. The installation should start now. Downloading Plotly, and this is the version. It can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Let's wait. The installation should finish now. Successfully installed. I will test it now in the Jupyter Notebook. I will come here. I'll copy this import statement from here, paste it here and press enter. Plotly has been imported. Let's also try out this example. I'll copy this code from here and then I paste it here, press enter. In the output, you can see that we got a nice bar plot. That means Plotly has been installed successfully. This is how you can install Plotly easily with just one command, pip install Plotly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.